All right, what is up, guys? Rapid RC back here at this location. We are going to be setting up a whole different setup with the ramps. Hopefully we can get bigger air. But in today's video, we brought out the KRATON and the LMT. I think the LMT I might go a little bit soft on it, but the KRATON we are going to be testing out that bumper mount and these skid plates. This is UDR, and he brought out his Outcast for us. So let's get to building and I'll put you guys on when it's all built. Now, full throttle. Damn! Damn! Hopefully I got that on camera, but that thing went freaking high, dude. Oh. Oof. Hey, it landed on wheels. I don't want to do a front flip. Oh, what a save. Damn, maybe a triple? Oof, I'll do a front flip. I won't go fast though. Yes. That was perfect. How about, let's see. How about front flip to back flip? Oh. I don't know what hit. Good. The air control on this is so good. Ooh. Yeah! Hell yeah! How about front to the back there? I need to go faster than I want to. Do a trick. Oh! I'm trying it. Oh! I don't want to test out my parts for you guys, so I don't want to notify it on purpose, so you guys can see how it jumps. Oh! You saw that? Look at that. Perfect. This is oh, damn. What was that, triple? That thing landed hard. Alright, so just checking it out. So far, no shock towers bent. None of them. Braces are holding up good. Chassis ain't bent. I do need a skid plate at the back though. Arms are not broken. Neither front or rear. Shocks are good. Yeah. I think we're chilling, bro. So we're just gonna let it cool down a bit. All right, so just check the temps. Not doing too bad. It's actually doing pretty good. 130 on the motor. The highest, the ESC is 90 degrees. Damn. After giving it full throttle. UDR to the rescue. Yeah, there you go. Mission accomplished. Alright guys, so the Pro Moto and KRATON did absolutely awesome today with those ramps. KRATON took a beating. If you guys are still interested in these bumper mounts, I'll put the link down below with these skid marks as well, or the roof skids. The only damage it is the drive shaft popped out. I don't really have the tools. It's 2-wedged down, so I'm gonna have to take out the whole tire, but that's fine. But other than that, no damage. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and Rapid RC out. Peace. UDR with the lights.